Hello everyone, welcome to the series on famous villains in the plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Aron the Moor from his play Titus Andronicus. Introduction. Aron the Moor is one of the most villainous and sadistic characters in William Shakespeare's tragic play Titus Andronicus. As a cunning and remorseless character, Aron delights in the suffering of others and commits numerous atrocities throughout the play. His actions and motivations, as well as his complex nature, make him a compelling figure in Shakespearean drama. This video explores the various dimensions of Aron's character, examining his motivations, his relationships with other characters, and the thematic significance of his actions, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Unrepented villainy. Aron's character is marked by his unrepented villainy and delight in causing pain and suffering. From the outset, he is depicted as a schemer who takes pleasure in the chaos he creates. His lack of remorse and his pride in his evil deeds set him apart as one of Shakespeare's most thoroughly villainous characters. In Act 2, Scene 1, Aron reveals his sadistic nature and his intentions. Let fools do good, and fair men call for grace. Aron will have his soul black like his face. This declaration underscores Aron's embrace of his villainous identity and his rejection of any moral or ethical standards that might constrain his actions. Manipulation and cunning. Aron is a master manipulator. Aron is a master manipulator, using his intelligence and cunning to influence those around him and orchestrate a series of brutal events. He manipulates Tamora, the queen of Goths, and her sons Chiron and Demetrius to achieve his own ends. His ability to deceive and control others is a key aspect of his character. In Act 2, Scene 3, Aron convinces Tamora to seduce Titus's sons, Quintus and Marcius, into a trap. Why then, it seems some certain snatch or so would serve your turns. Aron's manipulative prowess is evident in how he orchestrates the trap, leading to the wrongful execution of Quintus and Marcius. Delight and atrocities. Aron takes great pleasure in the suffering of others, committing a series of heinous acts throughout the play. His sadism is evident in his actions, which include instigating the rape and mutilation of Lavinia, framing Titus's sons for murder, and murdering the nurse who reveals his secret child. In Act 5, Scene 1, Aron openly boasts about his atrocities. Even now I curse the day, and yet I think, few come within the compass of my curse, wherein I did not some notorious ill, as kill a man, or else devise his death, ravish a maid, or plot the way to do it, accuse some innocent, and forswear myself, set deadly enmity between two friends, make poor men's cattle break their necks, set fire on barns and haystacks in the night, and bid the honors quench them with their tears. This chilling confession highlights Aron's delight in causing pain and chaos, showcasing the extent of his villainy. Relationship with Tamora and his son. Aron's relationship with Tamora and his secret son adds layers to his character. While he is ruthless and manipulative, his love for his child reveals a different, more complex side to him. This parental affection contrasts sharply with his otherwise sadistic nature, suggesting that even the most villainous characters can possess a degree of humanity. In Act 4, Scene 2, Aron fiercely protects his newborn son. Zounds, ye whore, is black so base a hue? Sweet blouse, you are a beauteous blossom sure. Aron's defense of his child against racial insults highlights his protective instincts and introduces a rare moment of vulnerability in his otherwise implacable demeanor. Thematic significance. Aron's character embodies themes of evil, racism, and revenge. His actions and motivations highlight the destructive potential of unrestrained malevolence. Additionally, as a Moor, Aron's racial identity is central to his characterization and the play's exploration of race and otherness. His pride in his blackness and defense against racial prejudice add a significant layer to his villainy. In Act 5, Scene 1, Aron defiantly asserts his identity. Oft have I digged up dead men from their graves, and set them upright at their dear friends' doors. Even when their sorrows almost were forgot, and on their skins, as on the bark of trees, have with my knife carved in Roman letters, "Let not your sorrow die, though I am dead." But I have done 1,000 dreadful things, as willingly as one would kill a fly, and nothing grieves me heartily indeed, but I cannot do 10,000 more. This speech encapsulates Aron's relentless pursuit of evil and his unrepentant nature, reinforcing the themes of malice and revenge. Conclusion. Aron the Moor in Titus Andronicus is a character of profound villainy and complexity. His delight in causing suffering, his manipulative cunning, and his occasional moments of humanity create a multifaceted portrait of evil. Through Aron, Shakespeare explores themes of revenge, racism, and the nature of evil, making him one of the most memorable and compelling villains in literature. Aron's legacy as a character who embodies both relentless malice and unexpected depth continues to captivate and horrify audiences, cementing his place in the canon of Shakespearean drama. So this was the discussion on the character of Aron the Moor in Shakespeare's play Titus Andronicus. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.